3, 2, 1, let's go!
Your Holiness, Lhasa has been bombed.
My dear brothers, together we will fight this evil regime and claim what is rightfully ours. From this day forward, we will be known as 4 Rivers, 6 Ranges. We never bow down to these Chinese.
그렇지. 자, 슛.
다른 시 평화 자연어불라 아니 유슈누데 속속다 동시회담도 다가는 시 지도 수르바 최시간도 의미 속속다 동시 수르바 산에기 속속 너무 제 다음에 시 산에 슈누 잡슈가다 의미 속바 회계 롱제는서 나가 쪽바 최시간도 회랑제랑제 회랑제 loktu sofa ki chapshu ne mima mangu shu phe do nga de chamji de shwe the teaser release ya the mixer ngaju inji la share che khasna the setup the jablin khala pa this one the inji la shu chawa good evening, my name is Jigme. I'm here on behalf of the Monk and Warrior production for the global release, teaser release of 6 Rivers, 6 Ranges, Chushikondo. 4 Rivers, 6 Ranges, 4R, 6R, Chushikondo. When we talk about teasers, we always talk about what is a teaser and why is a teaser happening, which is a completely different approach that we're taking here for this movie's release. A teaser really excites a movie. It creates a global vibe of a movie and it creates expectation. The expectation for this movie isn't high just in the community, but globally. Hence the teaser, but along with the teaser, we will have discussions with the director of the film. Before I continue, I would like to request Mr. Jayanabullah to say a few words.
Three, 2, 1, let's go!
Your Holiness, Lhasa has been bombed.
My dear brothers, together we will fight this evil regime and claim what is rightfully ours. From this day forward, we will be known as 4 Rivers, 6 Ranges. We never bow down to these Chinese.
그렇지. 자, 슛. And ladies and gentlemen, that was the first teaser of Chushikondo, the first major production of a Tibetan film. We'll get into more details of the film. How was the teaser? Let's tell the whole world that the Tibetans have arrived. Let's tell Hollywood, let's tell Bollywood, the Tibetans have arrived. Hollywood are back. So please give a warm welcome and a warm reception to our fearless and a visionary director who's fought all kinds of odds and obstacles to bring a film that most of us have dreamt about and only imagined, and now is being sent and showed to the entire world about our warriors, about our protectors, about our Chushikando. Ladies and gentlemen, Champagne Kim, sir. Shambhala, please take a seat. I'm going to ask him a few questions, and then we'll open up for people to ask. But before I do that, let's find out who Champagne Kim sir is. So who is Champagne Kim sir?
I'm a crazy Tibetan. Firstly, I'm going to stand for a few minutes. Tangpodila chenamba changma depegyo changma tuji cheshi juye. Ngatis kariga tutai biyor tunga shesa dil shirashing me to konge mebche. Longe diswe di miyu chembure ran lochungi course. Di lochung yamshipche longi tadik chene segyore. Tata longe diswe da ani ngaranda tanda loji dewachang nganjungi gi collaboration partnership denzo palange tanda gel ke shayin ba. When I create the teaser the launch share the nganjo khane ne chithore ngade New York la council tanda ngegi longe next longe gi chondo chitule next longe the New York la shoot share Bollywood gi actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui la direction in New York to ho chayin in a short la ngegi teaser the tayar wala tata jizo thagyal khapda share in ngegi di nganjo zonjam che ngaranjo changma denge kulung khariga to changma shu ra khanjo la nganjo jizo la ta khalo da sula yala ke me tapsi mangbo shu the desha ngara ine thapje bata long ni shu chagu sumchu tu do thapje lega chene and tune mata phabaji ro khamba amdo usang jelare I am a Tibetan khamba chi mare wasa nga usang e mare nga kharta amdo e mare nga thambo phabaji. So today the changmang the jizo chokba shunu kharsa tenjo khang changmal perde pe masi nganjogi sangchogi kharsa chik nawada ngaranjogi exhibition ji yorba ngegi kulung di three di chegoya di nganjo jizo ta doksa chik che renda che dire ngegi mainly nganjo three changma de jomne ngegi miyudi zambulingla Zambuling Tangmala Nganzo Peba, Leba Yonge, Nganzo Junda Yonge, Nganzo Nuba Yonge, Pele Gangan Tab, Go Ganga Gur, Shendep Gangan Malombache, Nganzo Lega Nete, Tobu Chetugiore, Chigogiore, Mixegi Lochunga Denzola, Mikbe Tango at the Pekachimore, Nganzo Kabla, Mikbe Tasa Shidame, Tambushunarwa, Nganzo, that Lochunga Denzola, they deserve to be empowered, they deserve to be inspired. Koranzola Loge, Nganzo Tama Gamba to the Chego at the Pemasi Kachimore. Ani nganzo pe lungba di khamba gi lungba chupu shoriyo mare amdo gi soso lungba chupu shoriyo mare uta ngaranzo changma gi lungba shorire chushi gandu khong namba to nyama tambo go tu de gane jinda ando sang khong namba gi kham thandal chupu jing yo mare. They fought for the entire country and dibula goti chinge khoranzo re and they did a lot but they fought for the entire country nganzo pe gyo thandal re constitution tondalare changma lama da ngarancho gi chöda changma la sungyap chechitu zengre mato ngancho chenjo bulalle ne ngarancho gi datewa ji gyana shungre gyana shungla ngancho khate khande chai di besen chegodu di samlo tangodu di ngegi teri pet kora khasang ne ngancho pheba chizo changma la ngegi kasa request maybe shai ngancho changma ta dokse chi chene constitution shubo kabla ngarancho dokse chi chene pet Pugyang Rimbo Samlo Tang, Tonge Chemboche, Ku Kuyang La, Nanzu Nija, Princessan and Ranzu Nija, Yamane, Ranzu Tengere, Sama Hagogure. Ine, Tanta Sikyong Pemba Sitting Lang and the Nanzu Dewa Yapo. Gana Kione Korang Nanzu Pebaki Sikyon Jire, Naranzo Tangma Sikyon. Lobsan Singene, Naranzo Tangma Sikyon Chevgala. Nanzo Gitawa, the Tis Yaches Tangudu, Busu Totaja, La, Raluk Tawa Mantasha, Tanganzo Chitare, one name, Yakabu Mendala. Maratis Kesa in the Rain, Takachor. I am in pain. Ngeki longe di sedu gala nganzo phagela peji nima takba nga mijutai longe di sedu. Because I care so much. I care so much about our cause, our people. And this film was made for our nation and our people. This film is not only for Khambas, it's not only for Amdos, it's not only for Utsangs. This film is for entire Tibet. This film is for His Holiness the Dalai Lama. This film is for all the Tibetans inside Tibet. And this film is an honor and tribute and my love letter to all these warriors who gave up their lives protecting. We are all here because of their contribution. So thank you very much. Tuji Chena, Chenamba Pere, please. Nganzo Trini Dide Chegoya de Nganzo Big Bay Tanya Chet Chigi Nganzo Tik Carlo Neze Tobuche, Dolen Chitang, Nganzo Ribachizola Yorba, Kuyangche, Lochunga Dinzora, wow, Laji. Mena Turd over the Lochunga Dinzona, Chita in the Ratitana, Lochunga Lado Ganzo, whatever. Nala Chugime, Condola Loge Kaging, Lengenche, Namutin Chain. Then Nganzo Tama Dosachi Kuchi Chevo, Kuchi. Chenamba Tamala, Naranto Tama.
I think that was a very loaded question. So I was not expecting.
Well, he asked me who I was, so I said I'm a crazy guy. Only a crazy guy can do a movie like this. You have to be a little crazy, right?
Exactly. So that was my follow-up question. Shambhala, you made Journey of a Dream. You made Broken Wings, you made Jigtel, you made Lhasa Blues, very much in the concept of contemporary Hollywood, film noir, sort of like an approach. After all of that, why did you pick the subject of Chushikando?
The reason is, I hope it's okay if we speak in English because this is being recorded. We have 3-4 cameras and I want the world to see this. The reason why I initiated this film, I wanted to make this film from 12 years ago. I really wanted to tell this story because it was such an important story, powerful story. But I wasn't sure, I wasn't confident enough, you know, at that. I kept making other films. I kept learning. You know, I used to live in New York almost 30 years ago. And I remember and NYU la film school NYU la film school Ini ngatur syukur kita nge pama tu goma tu dilak longe sugi lana gapnya cigi marwa nanti kita ambition itu doctor cia the engineer cia no power cigi pama tu longe sugi ani ngara jotu yo mare ini didi kap neta ngara susu longe susu jang kali cine ta cuci kandu ke dum di nanti cangma ke cuci kandu koyo re ini lot cungi ngela ngata longe di sebudu lah ki sorwa di lot cungi ngela les ini lotu bors ngalang nyamship cia da tadik cia lah. Ani longing ela ngada tanda nyegi film ki co-producer yorwa doji dewasang. Korang pem masih Lobjong Yongge successful Tibetan architecture. Korang yang macam itu nang re doji dewasang. Ani korang ki pala kunga samten lah sih. Kunga samten lah di nyama kundi korang tu kerja jagal cuci nang di bola. Cuci nam di kabla. He was responsible for His Holiness's, you know, the departure from Noble Inca, Pane Kiju River ni cross che pake tempa tharge Koranza tu, and Koranza Pane Kenza Mani Karsa Nepal lagi Northeast Frontier Agency, Tinsa Arunachal Pradesh lagi ore. Ote patu Sanjam patu kaya ki game di Koranza kire, langa chega la Koran ya. De la kange mangbo to mat nyala kona to roko go go sene kundula permission lo ne phalor langa chega de ratunga onda tempa tharge to kona to tharke de pha to ta doji dewa change yim di kora yemane college lo to ne longe swag bit dum di swag mi do. So he wanted to make this film, I wanted to make this film. So we were introduced by aha moment Bujung Kada yowa. This is samata do. So Bujung Kada connected us to. And we had a meeting in Delhi. And I said, I wanted to make this film. He wanted to make this film. And so we collaborated, and that's how the film is made today.
Thank you, Shabilla. What a partnership. And I hope you continue the partnership. Shabilla, you were recently in Dharamsala. You had the opportunity to show clips of this film to His Holiness, to the Sikkim. And we saw pictures of, we saw photos of His Holiness smiling and looking at some of the clips. Can you tell us what you were showing and what was his reaction, if you don't mind?
I wanted to, like all proud Tibetans, I wanted to seek his blessings because, I thought, who better in the world than His Holiness to see the first clip? I wanted Hindi ke lala na moharat siba moharat temje thangbuti longe ki yorwa public dogs. I wanted His Holiness to see it. Obviously, His Holiness cannot see the whole film, because he's very busy. There's so many people. But it was very kind enough, so they arranged that for me. And because I didn't have a lot of time, I told him what I made, and I told His Holiness, I wanted to assure him that whatever he's been talking for so long, so I assured His Holiness that I have been paying attention to his teachings. He has mentioned many times that we need successful Tibetans. Gumba monks magyap kundu sundo gumba dile mi sangboche nangchela tonache and ngaranzo bune mi tatakta tengo ya de pe techimbudu millionaires tengudu keta chembo tengudu chenamba koyorwadi. Yes. So I took it very seriously, and I take it very seriously. Kundula kushap chidanda kundula chidandi ngegi sigur chidandi dendere. So I took it upon myself